Okay, now we move on to drawing this oblique table right here. Once again, we have the two starter lines, which represent this corner right here. Now let's start from there. So this vertical line right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes upwards. Count 6 boxes, mark it with a dot if you need, and draw a light line. Okay, now moving on to this horizontal line right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes to the right. Count 8 boxes. Mark it with a dot and draw a light line. Now to draw this vertical line right here, I already know that it's going to fall on the same baseline as the other one. So let's just mark it with a dot right here. However, to make sure that everything is right, just count the boxes once again, which are obviously going to be 6 boxes downwards, and draw your light line. And continue from where you finished. Let's draw this horizontal line, which is only 1 box to the left, and let's draw these 2 vertical lines, which are 4 boxes upwards. Do the same for the other line as it's the same height. And let's join these 2 end points together to finish our front view, the green front view of our table. Now let's move on to these inclined lines, which represent the 4 visible corners of our table. Let's start by drawing this one right here. So go from lower left to upper right, and only 1 box thick. Do the same for the other corners. Alright, now let's continue by drawing the remaining lines that make the back part of our table. Now this line right here is going to be only 3 boxes high, as the rest of the line is not going to be visible for us, as it's covered by the front view of our table. Now continue by joining these 2 end points together. And let's continue by finishing this horizontal line right here. Now, of course, to finalize our drawing, we need to go over our outlines to create a bold line to make our final shape visible. And lastly, we're going to be shading our 3 views: the front, the plan, and the end or side view.